water them, which all you have to do is just flip this up, pour it in, and shut it so bugs don't get in. And then here, all you have to do is just pour the feed in, boom. And then my other job is to pet them, because if you don't pet them, when they grow up, they're going to be feisty. So right here is our mama and baby's cage right here. And then over here are just our rabbits, just regular rabbits. So that's a boy, and the rest are also, we're hoping to breed them. So I noticed this morning, right here, he's got like a little bit of his skin out, because he got out of the rabbit cage one time, and he ran off, but we caught him. So this one's really calm. We like this one. He's really cute.
Why do we keep rabbits, buddy?
So we have some food, and because we can get more babies for it, and that makes us more.
So we eat rabbits, huh?
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like that, do they?
No. Because rabbits are cute.
Rabbits are cute, so a lot of people don't like that.
I've never even had a rabbit in my life. What?
Yeah, we haven't raised rabbits since you've been alive. But we've raised rabbits, your mom and I, for a while. Do we take good care of our animals?
Mm-hmm.
Why do we take good care of our animals, buddy?
Because God made us, and God made animals, and we're supposed to take care of the animals. And if we want to eat them, we have to take good care of them. Because if you don't take care of them, when you eat them, it's going to basically be like poison. So you
Well,
have
it won't be good. But
Yeah.
it's if you're going to raise animals, you got to be humane.
Yeah.
Got to take care of them. So these rabbits wouldn't even be alive if we didn't have rabbits to eat.
Because rabbits aren't that tough, but they can stand at least a day without water and food.
So we have to make sure they have feed and water every day. And we have to pet them and love them.
Which I haven't watered them yet, but I fed them and petted them. So
You know what kind of rabbits we have?
I forgot.
We have a New Zealand boy and a bunch of Californian girls. And we've got one with a little bit of Rex mixed in. But we don't have purebreds. We don't have purebreds because if you mix two purebreeds together, they're stronger.
That is so gross.
Yeah.
One rabbit's licking the other's
So
butt.
one boy, 3 girls, a couple over here in the grunt cage.
So we got about, add this up, about 6. Because
Yeah.
4, 2, 6.
Well, you get on with your chores, okay, buddy?